Video number 3 in network marketing on the subject. There's different types of residual income. You can get royalties if you're a songwriter or you write books. Lots of different ways to get royalties or long-term residual income. Residual income is an important thing because there comes a point at which you no longer have to work to maintain your sales. It just kind of self-perpetuates over time, and you can generate pretty good incomes, residual incomes off of network marketing. Now, an awful lot depends on the company, depends on their pay structure and how they work. This requires a little bit of due diligence and investigation. But if you really want a long-term residual type income, there's nothing wrong with network marketing as a form. Now, one of the things I've done in my website, you'll see where I've connected the two, to where now I've included a whole concept of online marketing. I'm going to talk about this a bit more in another video, but most of the conventional methods of marketing in network marketing involve one-on-one contact. It's a little slower method. It's reliable and it's good. It's been around. It's been very successful for a long time. I'm not knocking it, but there is a difference. And now, in this day and age, there are ways that you can market online to accelerate the process. So that said, I'm going to talk a little bit about that a little bit more in the next video. Thanks.